Ever wanted to bring your characters to life effortlessly, creating fluid movements without redrawing every single frame? Let's dive into how to create a fantastic puppet rig in Adobe Animate. First, open your character in Adobe Animate. It's best to have each part of your character, like arms, legs, and head, on separate layers for easier manipulation. Select all the parts of your character that you want to be rigged. Next, go to the Modify menu and choose Convert to Symbol. In the Convert to Symbol window, select Movie Clip. As the type, name your movie clip something relevant, like character rig. Click OK. Now comes the fun part. With your newly created movie clip symbol selected, head over to the Tools panel and find the Bone tool. It looks like a tiny bone. Click on the Bone tool and, starting with the main body, click and drag to create a bone chain connecting the different parts of the body to your central body. Think about how your character moves naturally. For instance, create a bone chain from the body to the arm, then to the forearm, and finally to the hand. Repeat this process for the other limbs and the head. With your bones in place, you can now manipulate the character's movements. Go to frame 20 in your timeline, click on the body parts and rotate them, move them, and pose your character to create a fun animation. Easy, right? You've successfully rigged your character. Now it's time to experiment with the Bone tool and bring your characters to life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful animation tutorials.